Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Oksana Andreyeva and I'm the paralegal representing the plaintiff in this case. It is an honor for me to be here in front of you today representing my client, Perfect Touch Kitchens. Ladies and gentlemen, this case is not only about the outstanding balance owed to my client, but also about the reputation and integrity that is at stake. On August 3rd, 2014, my client entered into a written agreement with the defendant, upon which my client agreed to supply the defendant with cherry-colored kitchen cabinets with granite countertops and upgraded edge. In return, the defendant agreed to pay $40,000 to my client, with the payments being made in an agreed schedule. Everything went according to the agreement until the last $10,000, which was supposed to be made upon the completion of the project, was not received by my client. It is important to understand that the business that my client is in is very competitive. As a result, it relies heavily on referrals, such as in the case of the defendant, who got recommended to my client by a co-worker of Mr. Anderson. Therefore, it's absolutely imperative that my client provides the best quality of work at the most comparative prices possible. Having said that, please note that Perfect Touch Kitchens have been in business for 10 years. It has developed a strong reputation and good relationship with clients and employees. And one of them, you will hear him today. His name is Michael Holmes. He's been the installer who worked at the defendant's house, has been employed by my client for 5 years, and he's a reputable craftsman. Today, the facts will prove that my client has done the best job possible with what was agreed. He acted professional and wasn't involved in any wrongdoings whatsoever. The facts will prove that the defendant was on a tight budget. And although saving for 6 years, they were not able to afford a $40,000 kitchen renovation, which led them to the missed payment to my client. At the conclusion of this case, given the clear evidence and facts, I ask that the judge finds the defendant legally responsible for paying the outstanding balance of $10,000, plus all the additional costs, including the costs of this action, pre and post interest of the amount owing to my client, and any other relief this honorable court deems just. Thank you.